Good morning, sir. Hi, sir.
Hi.
Hi. Good afternoon, guys. This is Mayor.
Okay.
Mayor Carlos.
Carloy.
Oh, Carloy. Okay. Sir, dito kami para sa inyo, para tulong ng mga kaibigan natin, 'di ba? So, sir, vlogger ako. Okay. So, meron ako na YouTube channel pang charity lang kami. So, katulad sa amin, marami na mga riding groups. Sa mga yung iba ngayon doon sa Cagayan. So, kami dito. So, sabi niyo na lang, sir, anong kailangan niyo dito sa sa munisipyo niyo para lagay ko sa blog para marami sila punta dito. Good morning, guys. Assalamualaikum. Today is the day we are going to, for the relief operation. So all of us get up in the morning, get ready. Now I'm just going to help some people. So I will see you on the road, guys. So these are the lineup for today's relief operation, all of them. So all of them line up and all. So these guys also with us, the foreign guys, so they also coming to help us. So this is the thing. So full lineup for today. So I will see you later, guys. So these are the boys. We are going to Kamilig. All. Is Richard and here is Kuya J. Yes. From the Kamiling Municipal Hall, and Kuya J will explain.
Yes, yung time na dumating si Rolly, ano bang saan yung pinakanatamaan na part dito sa
namaan dito masyado sa sa Kamalig, Ilawod. Kasi yung tubig na rumaragasa galing sa bukid at saka yung mga buhangin, bato doon binagsak sa kanila.
Malalaki yung mga bato na
malaki yung mga bato at saka yung mga buhangin, ang daming buhangin na binaba ng
parang galing sa yung lawa, yung
lava.
Yeah? Yung lawa buhangin yung black,
yes,
black
yes.
na black, di ba? So guys, this is what happened there, and as you saw in my last vlog, I was showing you some of the places here affected. So here, these people need your help. So if you have extra, come over and help these people. They are having a hard time here. Sharing is caring, guys. Just come and visit these people. Even just visit, just make them happy. So don't let them feel like they are alone. Di ba, Sir Richard?
Yes, correct, tama yan. Konting tulong nyo, malaki ang
kahit tulong lang kayo. Siyempre Pilipino tayo kahit hindi ako Pilipino pa rin ako.
In heart and in soul.
In heart, soul, lahat.
Yun.
Pati kulay.
Tama.
Filipino.
So guys, just to come and help these people. Adonis,
keep safe.
Lagi keep safe. Diba? Heart siya. Yeah, ayan with mga malupit. Yeah, malupit dito. Si ate. Yeah, here is actually, we are here at the Municipal Health Office in Kamilik. So, dito. Ano dito ate? Sabi mo na lang, pagpunta sila dito, galing sa ibang lugar, kailangan talaga dito.
Kailangan nila tumal dito para sa profiling tapos interview namin para ma-record sila.
So, if ever mga tao pupunta mga donate sila, kailangan sila una
Opo,
dito.
kailangan po para
Tapos mga profiling, tapos mga details. Tapos kayo mismo na mga distribute na mga ibang lugar, ganon?
Hindi po kasi may kanya-kanya contact agents po na naka-assign po sa kada lugar po dito sa Barangay. Sa Kamilig. Tapos sila po yung nagdadala ng
Okay. So guys, if you are if you have a little bit extra, you know, just come over here and help these people. Like I said in my last vlog, you know, sharing is caring. Yeah, so just come and visit these people and come and visit ate. Oh, dito si ate lagi, di ba ate?
Noel lang.
Oh, papi. Oh, ikaw. What do you want to tell to the people?
Hi!
Yeah, yun lang.
Keep safe, keep safe.
Keep safe.
Yeah.
Always.
Yes sir. Yes sir Tony, ikaw. Yeah. Ito sir Tony. So guys, just if you have a little bit extra, just come and help these people. So we need your help. So I will show you later what's happening in outside. Yeah guys, here the officials on the tricycle. So we are following them because we don't know the place. So let's follow those people and let's see how the location look like and meet those people. Nice place guys, but the typhoon made worse these areas. Look at this place, look at the lifestyle of these people. Ayan na, gandang lugar na. Grabe. If anybody using the sports bike, park tayo dito. Konting trail lang tayo dito. That is a GS. You can just go everywhere. Yan na guys, look at this place. Actually here is too much mining, so many sands taking off from here. This is our product, and you can see here this is a truck. Actually we bring from Manila. You can see. Thank you the sponsors, Motohub, Gucci, and Bato Riders. Of course, andun ang logo ko rin eh. That is a truck we brought from Manila. Oh, look at this place guys. Imagine if you're using the sports bike in this area. Nga tayo. Especially good thing I brought GS. If I brought my another bikes, iyak talaga ako dito. Yeah, this is something inside Kamilig, and this area also affected, guys. So many people lost their houses, all their, you know, hanap buhay. Wala, marami na wala. Inuman. Mga kuya, mga inuman. That is how it is, guys. Philippines. Always people are happy kahit anong mangyari dito. Ito si Adonis, the Pinoy Ninja. He was president of Pinoy Ninja until 2017. Now he is still Pinoy Ninja, but he is not on that position. Oi, Ernest, shout out Pinoy Ninja, President Ernest. I miss you, papi. Let's ride soon when you get back. Here is Barangay Hall. So here is Team Wakat and other riders. So here is mga officials. San si captain? Oh, there is a captain. So this is a barangay, guys. There are so many people are here nearby. So just come and visit these people and help each other. Di ba, papi? Yes. Yeah. So we are going to meet some of the mayor. Yeah, guys, actually we are here at Kamilig Tumpa Barangay.
Yes.
This is captain of this barangay, and we have given all the things, but they have some more coming, so it's not actually we are going to distribute. So they will be the one distribute to the people because they are waiting for some more to come. So they will make it like ilan mga tao dito, family dito.
Family namin is 375. Total person is 150.
Mga about 1,550. So meron kami ng konde dito. Tapos dumating ng iba. So guys, if you watching this video and if you have something extra, just to come and share with these people. There are so many people they need your help. So dito, Captain, anong nangyayari? Sabi niyo na lang ito sa sa vlog ko.
Actually, sana makatulong, may dumagdag pang tulong dito sa mga barangay namin, lalo na sa may mga affected area. Actually, gusto na inire-relocate yung ibang barangay sa amin, yung Puro. So talagang medyo kinukulang pa rin ang pundo. So sana may matulungan dito sa barangay namin, dito sa barangay Tumpa, Maligan Bahay. So kahit anong may tulong, basta matulungan lang po sa barangay, lalo na sa mga poor area, talagang kailangan nila.
So guys, you have to understand that one, there are people are lose their lives and their hanap buhay. Wala as in wala. As you seen in my last vlog, I have shown you so many places, and there are actually is very very bad. So these people need your help. As a Filipino, just be together and help your, diba, kabayan, diba? Oh, yeah, that is a mission of the riding community. We have so many riding community. We are coming back again with my another groups. Pupunta kami dito rin. Meron kami ng ibang group. Hindi lang dito, kailangan talaga na maraming lugar eh. So hindi lang kami na focus ng isang lugar. Kailangan talaga na iba-ibang marami ng lugar na kailangan talaga ng mga tulong. So just imagine you are a motorcycle rider and you spend in a week for a ride or gasoline or something. For just a normal ride, you spend 500 pesos for your 1 week. That 500 pesos, that Just imagine you're not riding in a 1 week. In 1 day, you're not riding, you're not spending the 500 pesos. If so many of you, if you put that money, that will be a huge money. So there are so many people need your help. So that 500 pesos make a big difference for your life of these people. So guys, please help these people and this area in Albay, so many affected areas. Also in Cagayan Valley, if you are nearby in north, and my viewers or supporters or any of you guys, please support those guys also. I am going to meet one of the mayor here. I will put in a while, guys, and see you later. Okay na guys, we actually turning over all the things to the captain and other people. So thank you for your support. So here is the products what we have bring. There are so many. So more to come, guys. More to come.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Look at the view. We are actually here somewhere in near to Mayon, and all of them taking their photo shoots and all the stuff here. Nice place, guys. Awesome. So I am actually waiting for the mayor to come. So when the mayor is arrived, I need to speak to him about what's happening here. So the down there, that is a flooded area. On down there, then so many places is flooded here, but this is an amazing place, guys. So look at here. Awesome.
Actually, kailangan natin kung mayroon yung mga housing materials na may bigay doon sa mga nasiraan ng bahay at saka nawala ng bahay. Kasi marami kaming nawala ng bahay.
Tapos mga food.
Yun, food pack. Doon naman, ito bigay din natin sa kanila. Yun ang pinakakailangan din.
Oo nga. So guys, I will put this vlog will be my first vlog because I met the respected mayor is just to come and visit us. So this is what I said many times on my blog, that I just want to mayor to tell you guys what actually happening here in this area. So not like when I say or my friends say you don't believe, as a mayor when he is saying, really you have to believe. There are so many places we went, marami lugar kami punta, sir. Nakita kami marami ng mga nangyayari dito. So exposure lang ako mga nangyayari dito para marami na mga punta dito para tulungan sa inyo.
Actually, sunod-sunod yung bago natin. Nagsimula sa Quinta, nag-Rolly, nag-Ulysses. Talagang, sabi nga, linggo-linggo may parating na bagyo sa amin. Kaya yun talaga daming natabunan na bahay, nawala ng bahay. Then, yun nga, kailangan natin na konting tulong sa mga kababayan natin. Na pwede makapagbigay tulong sa atin.
Please. If anything, I will just put may Facebook page kayo, di ba, sir, sa Mayor?
Pwede kami sundan doon sa Kaloy G. Baldo Facebook account.
Kaloy G. Baldo. So, guys, I will just put the Facebook page of Mayor. So, you guys can message and ask Mayor what they need, if you can help, just to help these people. Really. As a foreigner, I am willing to help as much I can, and there is my friends are here, all of us helping. So like I mentioned earlier, we are riders. We spend maybe 500 pesos or 1,000 or 2,000 pesos every week just for a ride. So if you guys are there as riders, you just put a 500 pesos per person. We are maybe millions of riders here. So it's make so much of difference. Di ba, sir?
Sabi nga, pag kaunti na ipon-ipon, malaking tulong.
Malaking tulong yan, guys. So just to help sa kabayan natin dito sa Albay.
Talagang ubos pera ng gobyerno.
Oo nga. So guys, please help. And sir is here, and I will put the Facebook page and the other contacts numbers. All the stuffs are there on my blog. So please help. Sir, thank you for your time. You are busy. So So guys, sir, I just invite Mayor to come and explain to you guys. Actually, for this thing is not normally just we are saying the Mayor mismo nasabi sa inyo kailangan talaga ng tulong para sa mga tao dito. So thank you guys. Yeah, boys, Mayon, I just had a meeting with the Mayor here. So he explained actually what happening here. So actually I wanted to meet him because when me and my friends, when we say it's something different, and as a mayor, the father of one's municipality can say something. So I just invite him to that place, and he came. Very nice fellow. So just to support all the your kabayan. So tulong-tulong tayo dito, guys. So check nyo, guys, grabe ganda.